From the outset, the Patriot Viper Venom RGB DDR5-7000 2x16GB kit brings a truly eye-catching design. The black and silver heatsink and RGB LED lights make up the flashy appearance. Nothing looks too offensive on the modules, but they are very obviously from Patriot's Viper sub-brand. The metal pieces also have a low enough profile, so they should not cause too much interference with nearby components. The heat spreaders ensure dissipation of heat from memory chips in the PMIC with direct thermal pads over these areas. Underneath, we have capable SK Hynix chips that provides reliable results even if they operate at a transfer rate that is not optimal for AM5 processors. In our testing, the Patriot Viper Venom RGB DDR5-7000 delivers solid performance throughout our tests. Better yet, the SK Hynix chips run stably and can be pushed just slightly further to DDR5-7000 Prime 95 stable without needing to relax its timings. This represents a 2.9% overclock, which is small but still impressive given the base rates are quite fast. Like other Patriot Viper memory, the Venom RGB DDR5-7000 also comes with a limited lifetime warranty. At the time of the review, the Patriot Viper Venom RGB DDR5-7000 2x16GB kit is available for around $115. This is very competitively priced given the factory overclock operating rates and latency, making the Viper Venom RGB an excellent option if your system can take advantage of these speeds. I'd love to hear what you think of this DDR5 memory kit in the comments down below.